Today we're going to be looking at a large backup drive. So this is from manufacturer Seagate, and they just call this series their Backup Plus Hub because it does have a USB hub functionality as well. So this model is the 8TB model, so that's quite a bit of space if you want to store some stuff. In terms of the packaging, this is how it ships when you purchase it on Amazon. It does work with both Windows and Mac, and it is USB 3 or 2 compatible if you want to use it as a legacy device. Right. So on the back there's some talk about the compatibility and some different features, applications, but nothing very major. So let's open up this box and look at the drive. There is a sticker here that talks about a Adobe Creative Cloud photography plan. So there is a 4-month membership that you get with the purchase of this drive. There's a 2-year warranty with this. Okay, let's open it up. So you can see inside they have the cardboard packaging. So this is to keep the drive safe when it is in transit. So it's quite a snug fit. Make sure that the drive doesn't shake or move around, which is good. It makes sure that the drive is safe and held in place when it is shipping. You can see the upper part of the drive exposed now. Okay, so this is the actual drive. We're going to be a little careful while placing it down. There is some documentation. One more of these on the inside. Let's see if there is anything else. So we will get that out. And yes, there is inside the box. There is more stuff in there. Okay, so that's probably the charger kit and stuff. So let's look at this box, probably the accessories. Okay, so there is the charger cable and the USB cable. There's something small here, parked on the side. So this is an adapter plug, which is useful. If you're in the UK, you're going to need this kind of socket, and so that's a nice inclusion. Get rid of this for now. Take a quick look at this. So there is the device. Let's open this up. So this slides in here, then you can connect it up. So this is just stuck. Simple as that. So if you have a a plug standard that uses this type of plug, yeah, you could use this, or you could switch to the UK type socket as well. Okay. This part will connect into the drive. We're going to take a look at that in a bit. This is pretty straightforward. It's a USB connector. So one side is a standard type A socket, which is USB 3 capable. You can see that by the blue. And this is the side which goes to the hard drive. So this is a custom hookup for an external hard drive. In terms of documentation, there is some here. Let's take a look at that. So there is the Adobe Creative Cloud photography plan, which I mentioned earlier. So there is that. And this one is about the drive itself, right? So it talks about the hub, how to hook it up, right? Connections, and then since it's a USB hub, you can hook up additional devices to the front of the device. Multiple languages as expected. Okay, time to look at the drive. So it's a glossy piano black kind of design, and it does have some styling at the top and the sides. Bottom has some information here, Seagate, the serial number, etc. This lights up when you hook it up to USB. So I have used one of these devices before, so I know what it's like. And these are the two USB 3 connectors. So if you want to connect additional devices to it, like a chain, you can do that. The back for the connector to this drive, and this is for the power connector. So that is how the drive looks. So we will connect this drive, try to transfer some information onto it, and do some tests in terms of transfer speeds and share all that information. So do look out for our detailed review on newsbytes.ph, where we will cover this in additional detail.